What is an organisation? What is a brand? It's the people behind it.
You need people that have attention to detail. You need people that understand how trade works, people that are diligent in what they do.
We make sure that all of our people are fully trained, and we use the Institute of Export to do that training.
What struck me when I met RS is the investment in training they provided to gain that knowledge of trade procedures, but also the good staff retention rates, the work on investors in people. Once you get good people, the important element of it is retaining those people as well.
You sit in meetings and they ask you to introduce yourself, and I say 17 years, and I find that I'm the youngest that's been with RS. I don't think you get this in many organisations, and certainly within the Export Solutions, 30, 35 years is quite common. But to retain that and to retain that experience within it, clearly there's people enjoy and feel motivated and excited about what they do.
We are really lucky for the team we have. Everyone is so knowledgeable. Everybody brings something different to the team, which is really good. We really rely on each other, I think. It is like one extended family, if so.
Yeah. I've worked in the international trade for 30 years now. I've worked for RS for 30 years. Export is really interesting. It is a passion. I love it.